Presenting a pre-owned 2019 Mini Convertible. This two-door convertible has a 3-cylinder, 1.5-liter i3 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Mini is a great value with less than 47,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 28 miles per gallon in the city, and 37 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include navigation package, air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, battery saver, digital odometer, external temperature display, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, spare tire kit, power windows, window defogger, and heated front seats. Call 401-885-5355 to schedule a test drive and learn about our guaranteed financing options. Come in and see why we were awarded Dealer of the Year for 3 consecutive years in a row.